Hi boys and girls, for our math lesson today, we're going to start exploring a new type of measurement. We've measured using a ruler or measuring how long, wide things are, but today we're going to get into something called capacity. And capacity means just how much something holds. It can be how much liquid, like water, something holds, or it can be a solid, like how much rice something holds, or even how much air something would hold. So we're going to have different objects and we're going to talk about if it holds more, if it holds less, or if it holds the same as. And so I have some different cups and some options of what we're going to use. I have a pitcher and I have different kinds of cups. I have coffee cups, I have juice cups, and then I have some of my water cups that I would use when I was at school. So I'm going to show you two different cups at a time, and you're going to help me. You're going to tell me which one holds more, which one holds less, and then that way we can explore capacity. So the first two I'm going to do are my coffee cup, my California coffee cup today that I use for my coffee, and then a juice cup. If I compare them side by side, you're going to notice this one's taller, this one's wider. Which one do you think is going to hold more water? All right, let's check. So I'm going to start with this one because my estimate or my guess might be that this juice cup is going to hold less water. So I'm going to go ahead and pour water just about to the tip. I don't want to make a big mess over here, but just about to where it's almost full. You can see it goes to the blue. Okay, so that one is full. Now I'm going to pour it into my coffee cup, and if this coffee cup starts pouring water over, we're going to know that this one holds more. If it goes smaller in my cup, we're going to know that this one holds more. So I'm going to try to do this without making a big fat mess. All right, so I'm going to make it so you can see. Let's see. You can see there's water in there, but it did not go to the top. So you're going to say that this coffee cup, held more than this juice cup. My prediction was correct. Sometimes our predictions are correct. Sometimes our predictions are not correct, and that's okay because we're just making a guess, an educated guess. All right, so now if I looked at something like this, I would know which one holds more because I can see that. Here's my coffee cup again, and then here is my mason jar that I use sometimes for drinking water. So which one do you think holds more just by looking at them right now? We would guess the mason jar, right? All right, so I'm going to pour. First, I'm going to fill this one up so that it has all the way to the top, since it had just how much that juice one had. Then, I'm going to try not to make a mess because it's really hard to pour sometimes with these. I'm going to pour it. Oh, boy. So if I look at this one, this coffee cup only filled my mason jar about halfway full. So I could use 2 coffee cups to equal my mason jar. So this one holds less and this one holds more. Now we're going to get a little trickier. Okay, so I have my water cup that I used at school a lot. And then now I have this one that my girls like to use water in. Now, if we look at them, they're pretty much the same height. They're pretty much the same width. So which one do you think holds more, or do you think they hold the same? Let's go ahead and check. So I'm going to pour water into my blue cup, and then I'm going to check it out with my other cup over here. Oh, boys and girls, this is just about equal. When I filled this cup up and then I poured it over to this cup, they both went just about to the top. So we would say that these two hold just about the same amount. So when you're doing capacity, sometimes you're going to have some that hold more, you're going to have some that hold less, and then you're going to have some that hold the same. Today, when you do your second math lesson, you're going to be able to explore with your own cups at home and your own containers, and you're going to see which one holds more, which one holds less, and which one holds the same. I hope you have a fun time with this math lesson today.